Have you ever received hundreds of alerts in a night, but yet you couldn't locate the source of the issue? And when you finally located it, you're already facing user complaints? A good observability should be able to assist you in analyzing problems, determining core causes, and alerting and preventing failures in a timely manner. Every SRE engineer is responsible for establishing a solid observability. However, how does one build such an observability in a cloud-native environment? Hello, and welcome to this episode of Cloud Forward. Today, we will be discussing ACK's powerful observability. Now, before we get deeper into the topic, I'd like to share a piece of news. In Forrester's report on the global public cloud container platform in the first quarter of 2022, Alibaba Cloud Container Service, ACK, was recognized as the leaders. In the report, ACK's observability is highly praised by the analysts, and I quote, "Reference customers praised its excellent observability in logging and monitoring, efficient cluster lifecycle operations, and seamless integration with other services." Back to the topic. Let's start with a holistic view of ACK's observability. As you can see, we divided the container service observability into 4 layers: business monitoring, application performance monitoring, container monitoring, and infrastructure monitoring. In the first layer, let's look at the business monitoring. We use logging services to monitor users' business logs, Ingress Dashboard to monitor traffic, and ARMS, Application Real-Time Monitoring Service, to offer front-end monitoring and synthetic monitoring on users' JavaScript page to obtain business details, while it's also capable of initiating synthetic API tests. On to the second layer, Application Performance Monitoring, or APM for short. In this layer, we offer ARMS APM to non-intrusively monitor application performance data for users' Java applications. Moreover, it grants for JVM performance monitoring, program profiling, and tracing capability. ARMS also supports OpenTelemetry to do tracing and performance monitoring. Then we move on to the third layer, container monitoring. For this layer, the main focus is on cluster monitoring and cluster applications. Thanks to the ACK Event Center, we can now continuously and permanently store more Kubernetes events with the log service, then leverage its built-in event analysis and alert function. In addition to event log monitoring, we offer managed services for Prometheus. It not only supports the monitoring of Kubernetes standard metrics, but also a combined monitoring of other Alibaba Cloud products in network, storage, database, and more. They'll be stored as unified data of APM and tracing. On the other hand, we developed another monitoring product based on eBPF, which can non-intrusively monitor the system kernel layer with light load, obtain the network call topology in the cluster, and troubleshoot complex network linkage problems in the cluster. And finally, the infrastructure layer. Alibaba Cloud provides out-of-band monitoring of compute and network resources, which has been integrated into the ACK Event Center. Through ACK Event Center, infrastructure anomalies associated with ACK clusters and containers can be quickly discovered. If you are keen to know more about ACK's observability, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos of Cloud Forward in the future. Until next time.